Hey there, welcome to this video on how to get more links for your website. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process that you can use to increase the number of links pointing to your website, which is a critical factor for improving your search engine rankings and driving more traffic to your site. But before we dive into the details, let's talk about why links are so important for your website. Links serve as a vote of confidence from other websites, indicating that your content is valuable and relevant. The more high-quality links you have pointing to your site, the more likely search engines are to consider your content as authoritative and trustworthy. This, in turn, can lead to higher rankings in search results and more traffic to your website. So, without further ado, let's get started with the step-by-step process for getting more links to your website. Step 1. Identify your target audience and topics. The first step is to identify your target audience and the topics they are interested in. By understanding your audience and their needs, you can create content that is more likely to attract links from other websites. Use tools like Google Analytics, Google Trends, and social media platforms to get insights into your audience's interests and behavior. Step 2. Create high-quality content. Once you have identified your target audience and the topics they are interested in, it's time to create high-quality content that provides value to your audience. This can be in the form of blog posts, infographics, videos, or other types of content. The key is to make sure that your content is unique, engaging, and informative. Step 3. Reach out to influencers and websites. Once you have created high-quality content, it's time to reach out to influencers and websites in your industry. Look for websites that have a high domain authority and a large audience. Reach out to them and offer to collaborate or contribute content to their website. This can help you get more exposure and attract more links to your website. Step 4. Use social media to promote your content. Social media is a great way to promote your content and attract more links to your website. Share your content on social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn, and encourage your followers to share it with their network. This can help you reach a wider audience and attract more links to your website. Step 5. Monitor your results and adjust your strategy. Finally, it's important to monitor your results and adjust your strategy as needed. Use tools like Google Analytics and Ahrefs to track your website's traffic and backlinks. This can help you identify what's working and what's not, so you can make adjustments and improve your link building strategy. So, there you have it, a step-by-step process for getting more links to your website. Remember, it's not about the quantity of links you have, but the quality. Focus on creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience, and use outreach and social media to promote it and attract more links. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on digital marketing. And don't forget to visit our website, Profits Digital, for more resources and tools to help you grow your online business.